Hey, have you heard about the latest technique that's making waves in the welding industry? It's called liquid penetrant testing.
No, I haven't. What's so special about it?
Well, liquid penetrant testing is a non-destructive testing method that helps us detect surface defect in welds, like cracks, porosity, and lack of fusion. It's like having a pair of X-ray eyes that can see through the surface and identify any potential weaknesses.
That sounds incredibly useful. How does it work?
It's a multi-step process. First, we apply a brightly colored or fluorescent penetrant liquid to the surface of the weld. This liquid seeps into any cracks or defect present.
Okay, and then what happens?
Next, we remove the excess penetrant from the surface and apply a developer. This draws the penetrant out of any defect, making them visible as bright indications on the surface.
Wow, that's ingenious. So, you can just visually inspect the weld and identify any problems.
And the best part is, it's a non-destructive method, so we don't have to damage or cut into the weld to check its integrity. This saves time, money, and ensures the structural integrity of the final product.
That's impressive. I can see why this technique is becoming so popular.
It's not only useful for welding, but also for inspecting castings, forgings, and other metal components. With liquid penetrant testing, we can ensure the highest quality standards and deliver projects that are safe and reliable.